All right, so all we got left to do now is the headlights for this crusty, dusty thing, because they are nasty. They look really gross. But we're gonna try and make them shiny with some internet hack, because I'm not paying $350 for new ones. First thing we gotta do is pop the hood though, because I don't want to scratch the paint any more than it already is, because it may be absolutely slammed, but I'm trying to reverse that and not encourage that. So we're gonna take preventative measures, even though the paint's gonna get, you know, redone at some point anyways. So get this up, get our masking tape. Don't let your trash fly away either, because that's mean. See, there it is. Take off pieces and just make sure you're protecting your paint. Easy as that. I keep walking all the way over there for this tape, and I put it in the same spot every single time. All right, so we got both headlights taped off, and now I'm going to show you part one of this, which involves this. It is Sprayway glass cleaner. I got this literally at like Walmart. It is, you know, super cheap. But we're going to grab our shop towels that I keep in my bedroom because I don't have a shop, and just, there you go. Yeah, that's a lot, but you can see it, like, yeah, it's dirty already. That gives me high hopes for that this stuff might actually work really good, but it smells good. It smells like a swimming pool. But oh yeah, that's like already pretty shiny, shinier than it was. Yuck. Let's move my table closer. It's got such a wide spray though. I didn't expect it to kind of get everywhere. It's all right though. Not a big deal. But it's showing me that there is a clean headlight underneath here at least. I was a little worried that it could have been something that was underneath the headlight, and if that's the case, then the only thing I could have done is replace the headlight. But I don't think that's gonna happen today. So yeah, that already looks like a big difference compared to the two, you know? So I got high hopes for this method. There, that's, oh yeah, all that crust coming off already. We don't even got the sandpaper out yet. Also, I'll be doing this without any like power tools too. So all you gotta do is get the stuff, and you can follow along at home too. Yeah, we'll do one more layer of that, and then there you go. And this is the $1 million method, and by $1 million I mean saves you $1 million, because headlights are not cheap. I almost was just gonna get a new pair of headlights this most recent paycheck, but goodness, like, because I don't want to get, like, if I'm gonna buy something for this car, I want it to be a nice something for the car, and any headlight I could afford looked booty. So I looked around to see if there's anything I could do to just like restore them myself, and sure enough, there's quite a bit, because like I could walk away now. Look at that one. I've never seen them so shiny. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. That makes me very excited for this. Next part though is sanding. So you can start all the way down at 600 if you want to. I think I'm gonna start with 1,000. Actually, no, I'll go with I will go with 600. But so I got this kit for two things. One, this palm sander, which is really nice, and two, oh god. And two, it comes with the clear coat wipes, which is what makes it actually work. Yeah, these ceramic clear coating packs, you can buy just these but I also really wanted the palm grinder, so these are 2,000 and 3,000, so I don't need these yet. They'll stay in here. So we're gonna start with this 600. Boom, that hurt, don't do that. And then I'm gonna go to the headlight again, because you wanna wet sand it, but I'm not gonna use water, I'm gonna use this, because it'll kind of double up. And then you just spray it, and then just one direction, just now you can definitely see why we did the Scotch tape, because I would be tearing my already tore up paint up right now. It'd be lit as freak. It's kind of hard to hold this thing. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Okay. Yeah, you can see a lot of that top layer of grime coming off though. We'll spray it again, and I'm gonna wipe it down, and then we'll move on to 1,000. Yuck. Yeah. But your headlights will look hazed as you do this, but that's normal, because we're creating scoring. That way, whenever we use the clear coat, it'll fill in the gaps and look a lot better. See, now I've scuffed it up, so now I'm in so deep that the only option is to do it right. So now we're gonna move on to 1,000. Put this back so I don't get it messed up or mixed up. But the only reason I started at 600 was because my headlights were very crusty. Yours may not be that crusty. It's kind of like a judgment call. If you don't think yours needs to be, like if I were to do that car, also start at 600. If I was doing this one, probably start at 1,000. Because they all have crusty headlights. Hello, cat. Okay, just that in half. This is 1,000, and this is the last hard part because I get the palm grinder after this. But yeah, just make sure you really get it on there, because I didn't get the whole thing wet last time, so I had to spray it twice, but not this time. I wish it was like, there you go. It's kind of hard to just keep a hold of it though. But, oh, don't do that. Going in circles this time. See, this is much easier. Don't put a whole lot of pressure on it, as you don't really want it to be super deep. You're just trying to get that surface yellowing and oxidization off. So, you don't want to go through the plastic, which I really doubt you could. Like, I really doubt you could, but, I don't want any hulks on here trying to copy this and be like, I went through my headlight. Because that's not on me, homeboy. Use one of the 3,000s. Put that on here. And this basically just feels like paper. This is almost like polish, really. And my polish just fell on cue. Oh yeah, this is kind of just gliding over the headlight. Oh yeah, that's good. Make sure I get in those corners. And also, worst case scenario with this is that I do this and then it just kind of sucks. But if it happens, I guess I am spending like $300 on new headlights, upwards of like $750, something like that. But it is what it is. So we're wiping all of this off. We want it to be white. Not white, we want it to be clear. Yeah, and now it's drying, but it feels really good, like it does. Here we go. Oh, that is doing a really good job. That is like crystal clear. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's good. It was really good. Look at that. That is a gorgeous headlight. Are you kidding me? I cannot believe that came out that good. Holy crap. I'm actually like in disbelief right now. Like, I'm freaking out because there's like a reflection that's never been there before, but that's literally part of the headlight now. Are you kidding me? That is gorgeous. Oh my God, I've never been happier with anything I've ever done to my freaking car. You kidding me? Just made the car look 100 times nicer. If I were to post this on Facebook Marketplace, the value just went up $1,000. Are you kidding me? There's that G35 going by again. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. That is so good. Like, are you kidding me? Oh, wow.